So question 28 says, what is the volume of this rectangular prism? So we need to know the volume formula, and this actually isn't on your formula sheet. For a prism, it's area of the base, so we're going to call that big B, times the height. So if we look at this problem, the base is this square right here. So the first thing we need to do is find the area of that base. And a square, you do length times width. So to get this big B, we're going to do length times width. I'm just going to make a note up here. In other words, it's going to be 5 times 5, which is 25. And that's just the area of the base. So we're going to plug that in for big B. And then the height is from the base to the top, so the height is 10. And if we multiply that out, we would get 250. And volume is always in units cubed.